features are expected in the XIAOMI Mi 7. The Boeing listing alludes to a 6.01 in 18:9 display on the XIAOMI Mi 7 Plus, while the standard Mi 7 should finally see an update to its usual 5.15 in screen dimension with a 5.65 in 18:9 display. On the Mi 7 Plus at least this is said to be an OLED panel from Samsung. XIAOMI has never implemented a display panel with a higher than Full HD resolution before, and we're not expecting that to change. If it maintains the Full HD resolution with an 18:9 aspect ratio, we should see 2160 x 1080 pixels on the XIAOMI Mi 7 and Mi 7 Plus. This is backed up by a screenshot leaked by PlayFootDroid, which suggests the Mi 7 will have a 5.6 in Full HD 18:9 screen. It also alludes to the inclusion of the Snapdragon 845, the same that is ticked for the Galaxy S9, 128GB of storage, a colossal 8GB of RAM, 16MP dual cameras and a 4480 mAh battery. What's particularly interesting from the image associated with Boeing's listing, although we should point out that we do not know from where Boeing has got its information, is the fingerprint icon shown on the screen itself. The tech is ready to embed fingerprint scanners in smartphone displays, and we've already seen such a feature in an upcoming phone from rival Vivo at January CES 2018. There's certainly no fingerprint scanner pictured on the front of the Mi 7 Plus, and neither is one visible on the rear. However, the render leaked by Android Headlines shows a fingerprint scanner on the rear of the device, along with a glass back panel.